Hi everybody, this is CR number 16, helper video number 3. It says write an equation that represents the following statement. 2/3 of a number decreased by 3 is 5. Sorry about that. First thing I like to do is I always like to write above the words what it means in numbers and symbols and operations. So when it says 2/3, I'm going to above that write the fraction 2/3. Because I'm trying to translate these words into numbers and operations. Now here's a special word. This word is the word of. Sometimes people don't understand what of actually means in math, but of actually means multiplication. So I'm just going to put a dot there. So when it says 2/3 of a number, that means 2/3 times a number. But if I don't know what that number is, I call it x. Because when we don't know a number, we represent it with a variable. So 2/3 of a number, so 2/3 times x, decreased by 5. Well, decreased means subtraction, and by 5, why do I keep saying that? By 3 would be a 3. And then we have this lovely word is, and the word is means equal to. And then I'm going to go ahead and write the 5. So how would we show this? We show this with 2/3, and when it says of a number, we don't have to put the multiplication sign. We can put it right in front of the x because that means multiplication. Decreased by 3 is 5. So there it is, letter D. Good luck.